Is your Windows PC painfully slow? That frustrating click and wait and constant lag? You don't have to live with that frustration. I'm going to show you a simple routine you can do in just 60 seconds to make your PC feel brand new. Let's start the clock. First, tackle programs running in the background. Look at your system tray in the bottom right, the upward facing arrow. Click it. Right-click any app icon you aren't using and hit Quit. This instantly frees up memory and CPU for a quick speed boost. Next, stop programs from launching at startup. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together for the Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Now right-click and disable anything you don't need immediately, like chat or music apps. Just don't disable your antivirus or essential drivers. This drastically can cut down on your boot time. Third, let's do some digital housekeeping. In the Start menu, type Disk Cleanup and launch it. Select your C drive. After it scans, click Clean Up System Files for a deeper scan. Check all the boxes and click OK to clear out junk files and free up potentially gigabytes of space. For an instantly snappier feel, turn off Windows Visual Effects. In the Start menu, search Performance and select Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. In the Visual Effects tab, just choose Adjust for Best Performance and click Apply. Your PC will stop animating and start snapping. If you miss clear text, choose Custom and recheck Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. Finally, one of the most overlooked tips: restart your computer. A restart completely clears your PC's RAM, flushing out leftover data and fixing glitches. It solidifies all the changes we just made, giving you a truly clean and optimized start. It's a guaranteed performance boost. And there you have it, a 1-minute routine for a faster PC. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below with the tip that made the biggest difference for you. You don't need a new computer, just good maintenance. By managing apps, cleaning files, and restarting regularly, you take back control of your PC. This is Techie Papa, and thanks for watching. See you next time.